Hey, what's going on everyone? According to some reports, Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra is going to be launched in India really soon. So in this video, we'll tell you everything we know so far about the upcoming Mi 11 Ultra, like the launch date, the price, and also the specs. For your better understanding, we would recommend you to watch this video till the end. My name is Sovik and welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Before we jump right into the video, if you're still not subscribed to Phone Politics, make sure you hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get all the notifications about our upcoming uploads. Mi 11 Ultra's India launch date has been confirmed just days after its official unveiling in China. Xiaomi India says that the Mi 11 Ultra will launch on April 23rd. A dedicated page has been published teasing key features of the phone running up to the launch, and the Notify Me button is also live for gauging interest. Mi 11 Ultra has a triple rear camera setup that offers 120x digital zoom and is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC. Apart from the curved edges E4 AMOLED display up front, it has a secondary touchscreen at the back that shows the time and other details. Now let's talk about the Mi 11 Ultra's launch details and expected price. Xiaomi has confirmed that the Mi 11 Ultra super phone will launch in Indian market on April 23rd. The company has sent save the data emails to the media and has even made live a dedicated event page on its website ahead of the launch. A Notify Me button is also present, letting the users register their interest for the Mi 11 Ultra. In China, the Mi 11 Ultra has launched in 3 configurations: 8GB plus 256GB, 12GB plus 256GB and 12GB plus 512GB. It is priced at CNY 5999, CNY 6499 and CNY 6999. That is 67,000, 72,000 and 78,000 Indian rupees. The phone comes in black and white color options along with a white ceramic special edition. In the Indian market, the Mi 11 Ultra should be priced slightly higher thanks to the import duties. According to some recent reports, the base model of Mi 11 Ultra will be priced more than 70,000 Indian rupees. Now let's talk about the specifications of Mi 11 Ultra. Coming to the specifications, the Mi 11 Ultra runs on Mi UI 12 based on Android 11, featuring a 6.81-inch 2K WQHD Plus display, which is an E4 AMOLED quad curved display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The phone also has a 1.1-inch AMOLED secondary touchscreen on the back. This display can be used for taking selfies, see notification alerts, battery info, time and weather details. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC paired with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The Mi 11 Ultra has a triple rear camera setup that includes a 50-megapixel Samsung GN2 primary wide-angle sensor accompanied by 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 ultra-wide-angle and 48-megapixel tele-macro camera sensor. The tele-macro lens supports 5x optical and 120x digital zoom. The Mi 11 Ultra supports 8K video recording at 24 fps with all 3 sensors. The phone has a 20-megapixel front camera with an f2.2 lens. There is a 5000 mAh battery inside the Mi 11 Ultra with 67-watt wired as well as wireless fast charging support along with 10-watt reverse charging support. The phone also comes with Harman Kardon stereo speakers and is IP68 certified. And also the phone has an in-display fingerprint sensor. So that is all for today's video. Please let me know your thoughts about the Mi 11 Ultra in the comment section below. We have to wait till the launch date to get the exact pricing details of this phone. If you have any question regarding this video, you can leave your comment in the comment section. If you really find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.